I also in this video I'm going to discuss that how we can install router image in our EVNG machine. So uh, right now I have EVNG. I'm going to log in into it, and I'm going to log in into WinSAP as well. So IPs, let me check the IP address 132.30. Okay, new 192.168. 132.130. Root username is password. Now we are in OPT UNT lab add-ons apps, and here we can paste the router image, and from where we can get router image, we can simply go to YouTube, and here you will see the video of my you can see. Okay, in this video description you will see this drive link, and from Dynamaps, okay, from here you can download the router image. And moreover, if you want a CML router, let's try to find out that as well. Go to Dynamaps, and here I will download this image. And after downloading, I have to upload this image. Just wait a couple of minutes. And meanwhile, I will log in via PuTTY. 192.168.132.130 root EU and fix permission command in EVNG. You can run this command after uploading that image. So let's upload it. Image is uploaded. Now run that command, fix permission. So command is already done. Now let's try to log in into it. 192.30, it's admin EU. Okay, we have already 3 router. Let's delete it. And we are going to node, and here you will see that router, and here we go. Okay, so the router is started and everything seems fine. So that's how you can share interface read. Yeah, so this is how you can install router image in EVNG.